45 plus daily use sentences for teachers. 1. Good morning, class. 2. Please take your seats. 3. Let's start with attendance. 4. Is everyone here today? 5. Open your books to page 10. 6. Who would like to read aloud? 7. Raise your hand if you have a question. 8. Please pay attention. 9. Let's work in groups today. 10. Does anyone need help? 11. Are there any questions? 12. Can you explain your answer? 13. Let's take a short break. 14. We'll continue after the break. 15. Please be quiet and listen. 16. Focus on your work. 17. Time for a pop quiz. 18. Hand in your assignments. 19. You have 5 minutes left. 20. Let's review the homework. 21. We will have a test on Friday. 22. Please help distribute these papers. 23. Work quietly on your own. 24. Let's discuss the main idea. 25. Write your answers in your notebook. 26. No talking during the test. 27. Check your work before submitting it. 28. Put your hand down. 29. Sit properly in your chair. 30. Let's go over the answers. 31. Keep your desk tidy. 32. Please read the instructions carefully. 33. Make sure you understand the task. 34. Share your thoughts with the class. 35. We need to move on to the next topic. 36. Can I see your homework? 37. Great job. Keep it up. 38. Don't forget to do your homework. 39. Class is almost over. 40. Let's finish this activity tomorrow. 41. Pack up your things. 42. Wait for the bell to ring. 43. See you tomorrow. 44. Have a nice day. 45. Please respect your classmates. 46. Pay attention to the lesson. 47. We'll watch a video today. 48. It's time for a group discussion.